In this video, we're going to talk about Google Calendar and how it's tied to Google Classroom. So there are several different ways you can see your assignments in Google Classroom. You could actually just flat out go to your Google Calendar and your classwork will show up and it will show you what's due and at what time. So this one actually has a time date on it, so that's why it's sitting at a certain time. If it just has a regular date, it will sit up on top. So if you click on it, you can actually get to your assignment that way. And you can click on it and it will take you directly to your Google Classroom, like so. So that is one way to get to your assignments in Google Classroom or to see what's going on in Google Calendar. So another way is that if you click into on the three lines up here, you will see calendar. You can click on that and that will take you to a weekly view of your calendar, so you can see that there are assignments due here. Once again, live links, you can click right on them and they will take you right to your assignment. All right. Also, you can get to your calendar by going to your test class, and once you click in classwork, you will see you have a Google Calendar link here. So I can click on my calendar here and also see if I have things due. So the calendars, if you want, you can look, you can see that Fred is in lots of classes, but he can turn these classes on and off. So if for some reason your assignments aren't showing up for a class, come check here on your other calendars and you will see that you can turn calendars on and off over here. So Fred's got lots of calendars turned on, but he could turn these off. So if he turns off the test classroom, those assignments disappear. But if he turns them back on with one click, those assignments reappear. So just think about it. If you don't see your assignment, you might want to come to the left-hand side and click on calendars over here. You can also change the view of your calendar over here. So I can say if I just want to see a day, a week, or a month. If you're a monthly person, kind of like I like the month view, but some people like the weekly view, that's fine. Whatever, you can see just 4 dates or you can see your schedule. So calendar is a very powerful tool. Make sure you're checking it once in a while to see if things show up. Also, if you have a Google Meet scheduled from your teacher, this can show up on your calendar and you can just click on the link from there too. So that is Google Calendar through Classroom.